This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and workstation so cloning won't fail. Enable USB debugging and OEM unlock in developer options. This lets tools communicate and access partitions. Make sure battery is at least 50% and connect the charger to prevent interruptions. On your PC, install Motorola Device Manager and correct USB drivers so the cloner detects the handset, otherwise transfers stop. Once drivers are verified, connect the phone via a quality USB cable and open the System Cloner application. Now you pick what to clone and why each partition matters. Select the source device, then the target device from the cloner's detected list. Make sure the target has at least the required free space. Choose partitions deliberately. Boot and system copy the OS, data keeps user files, vendor preserves hardware-specific blobs. Enable checksum and optional compression to ensure integrity and reduce transfer time. Once configured, choose transfer mode, fast for speed, verify for safety. Start the cloning, watch progress and logs for errors. Finish by validating the clone so the device is reliable in daily use. After the transfer completes, let the phone reboot automatically. Do not disconnect the USB cable until the cloner shows a completed status. Once booted, verify app integrity, account logins, network connectivity, and sensors to confirm full functionality. If something fails, review the cloner logs to identify which partition errored. If needed, retry the process using verify mode or restore from the backup image you created. This protects data and fixes most cloning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.